Today I'm going to be talking about some metal sublimation prints, starting with this picture of our tortoise that I used generative fill in Photoshop to make it to this, and this other picture because I really like it. After printing on sublimation paper with a sublimation printer, I cut them down to size. Here's what the printed portraits look like. Then I put the sublimation metal blanks on top of the prints, and I attached them with some heat-resistant tape. I just got this equipment and blanks last week. These are my fourth prints, and I am very impressed by the sublimation process. After taping, I put them into this heat press, set to 390 for 40 seconds. After that, take them out of the heat press, pull off the tape. This is where the colors really come to life and the prints look amazing after sublimation. It's really fantastic. At the end here, I showed the prints real quick too. Once I get this process refined and perfected, I hope to be offering prints for sale. That will be exciting. Thanks.